Hi everyone, this video is dedicated on how to activate tracking feature for your Gmail account. Before we get started, please be aware that you need to have either Pro Plus or Professional plans of MySignature, and that is compatible only with Google Chrome and Gmail accounts. So once you're on MySignature account and you've created your first signature, there is an icon on the bottom of that. When you hover over that, it says install or enable Gmail extension. We're gonna work with our extension. If you do not have it, please make sure to install it. There is a separate video dedicated to that. However, the process is pretty simple. We are redirected to Chrome Web Store, and then we need to add extension to our browser. On the top right, there is a little puzzle icon for extensions. Make sure you signed in, and after that, click on the puzzle icon again, click on our extension, and make sure the track emails option is activated. Once it's done, we can go back to our Gmail account, refresh it just in case, and then go to send folder. And after that, you will see those little icons to the left of the recipients. When you hover over those little icons, you can see the status that it is unopened. And I really hope that was an easy tutorial to follow. In case you have any questions or challenges, please make sure to contact our support team. They're always there to make sure that your experience is as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.